Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to do a pretty quick, simple installation of the iconic Blessed Performance refrigerator letting off the air after it fills up. We're going to do a quick installation of our air deflector for your 10 to 18 4th Gen Cummins. So from the factory, you've got this black plastic piece here. It's already gone on ours. It goes here. We ran a little bit behind getting it powder coated, but I'm going to show you guys how to install this because it's super easy to install. So from the factory, you have 4 bolts that hold your grill. The 2 center ones are going to be removed when you go to install it. So you're going to remove the factory piece here. It's got a couple black plastic clips in it that hold it in place. Pull those out, chuck that thing in the trash, grab your Blessed Performance air deflector. You're going to slide it into place just like this. Now what we did is we ran it a little bit further up to cover the whole top of the radiator. And the reason we did that is for looks, aesthetically pleasing. Out of the box, you're gonna get some new hardware with your purchase. You're gonna lightly start it just like this. And same thing over here, 13 millimeter. And you'll just wanna lightly run it down and then come over here and lightly run this one down. Now, you're not trying to torque these. 65 foot-pounds or anything like that. We're talking like 1 Ugga-Dugga instead of 30 Ugga-Duggas. That's the new Blessed Performance air deflector. You know what? Is it gonna like increase performance and make you 1,000 horsepower? If you think it will, we're gonna say it will. This right here is a guaranteed 100 horsepower. Ultimately, it's something to clean up the truck. We have this really cool gold color picked out for nose candy, and this is the first thing that we're starting with. These air deflectors from the factory, they look like trash. So we wanted to design this. Pretty proud of it. It's freaking awesome. It looks gorgeous. It fits, covers up everything. We went into the concept of making sure that we had enough room to adjust the hood still. Okay, so you still have your hood pieces there. You can still reach your hood latch just fine. We ran it all the way up to the grill up here. You can order this raw. You can order this powder coated. And if you want it polished, you can polish it yourself, or you can order it with our super chrome, and then we're gonna clear coat over that. So super chrome literally looks like polished. It is a mirror finish. We'll showcase that on the website. You guys can check that out. It will look polished, but it's a polished concept that you don't have to polish every day. You literally grab your cleaner, you clean it, and you wipe it down and it's done. Polishing is awesome. I hate cleaning polished wheels. I hate polishing wheels. If you love it, that's because you do it for a living. If you have polished wheels on your truck and you don't polish them for a living, you probably hate having to clean them every time. We're gonna offer this with a super chrome with a clear coat over it, so that way you can have your polished look without having the polished headache. If you want to polish it, I'm going to recommend that you order a raw one and polish it yourself. We're not going to polish them just for a time cost thing. That's really all it is. Check out the website. They'll be available, ready for you to order. They're going into full production. Give us a call, 1-800-577-2698. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that other good stuff. We greatly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for everything you do. Have a blessed day.